G'day lads, just a quick one today. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a tool holder. So this is mainly just to hold all the drill bits, all my screwdrivers and whatnot. And so what we're going to do, we're going to start on the right hand projection, select that plane, make sketch, all the things we've done before. So this time we're going to make it out of sheet metal. So we're going to use our line tool and we're just going to draw a line. It's going to go like this, and it's going to come out, it's going to have this bit that hangs out a bit, then it's going to go up to the top there, then it's going to come back a little with a tiny little hook. So that's the rough sketch of what it's going to look like. Let's add some dimensions to this. So we want this one to be 25 mil. This one here will be, let's make it 50 mil. This one here, we can probably get away with, let's go with 20 mil. This one here will obviously be 50, same as below. This one here, we're going to have 25 again. This bit here will be 10 mil. And this bit here will only be a total of 5 mil. Right, so there we go. We've got our lovely little sketch. It's nicely laid out. And what we're going to do is we're going to use one of the sheet metal tools. Now watch me get this wrong. Sheet metal is across the top and I've lost it. There it is, sheet metal model. And what we're going to do is we're going to convert this one. So we're going to use extrude. And what we're going to do is we're going to extrude all these things. Let's do it properly. Have a look at our projected model. Oh, there we are. So we're going to project them, I reckon 400 mils sounds like a good amount. And then we're just going to click on them all and that's going to extrude them for us. Probably should have started at the bottom, that way we don't hide the ones we've got. Right. So there's our sheet metal model of our tool holder. So we're happy with that for now, but we don't want these sharp corners because they're going to slice someone's fingers. So let's do just a chamfer, and all you got to do, just come up and give it a little chamfer. Let's make it 2 mil. Right, and just do that on all these corners that are going to be really sharp. And done skis. Right, so across the top here we're going to add some, we'll do a sketch on top. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some circles. So let's add a center point circle. Let's do the right thing. For your normal, yeah. So we're going to chuck a circle in here, and we only need to make it fairly small because it's only for my baby ones. So these are going to need a 2 mil hole. And then our next one along, we'll try and make these nicely laid out. From there, we're going to go across and we're going to do our next one, which is going to be 2.5 for our next size up. And then, whoops, select the other one, circle tool, go across. Our next size up is 3 and a bit. Oh, we forgot one. Let's go back. We'll add one in. That should be the 3 mil, and so on and so forth. So what I'd like you to do is you're going to go through and you're going to do all the sizes all the way up to 12 mil. So I'll leave that one with you. Once you're finished with your tool holder, can you please submit it via Google Classroom? Thank you very much, lads.